Hi, in this video, we're going to convert decimals into fractions. So our steps are going to start by dividing the number after the decimal point by a power of 10. Now, that might sound confusing, but it's not as bad as it sounds, because if I have one decimal place, really I'm just dividing by 10. If I have two decimal places, I'm dividing by 100, and 3 decimal places means I'm dividing by 1,000. Notice that the number of decimal places aligns with how many zeros I have in my new denominator. So 1 decimal place, 1 0, 10. 2 decimal places, 2 zeros, 100. 3 decimal places, 3 zeros, that's 1,000. Let's put this into practice. So starting with this example, 0.5. I need to count the number of decimal places. Well, there's only one digit after the decimal, so that means that my new denominator is going to be 10. So I'm going to take that number after the decimal, the 5, and write it over 10 and simplify my fraction. I can divide both 5 and 10 by 5, which gives me the simplified form of 1/2. What about 0.38? Well, when I count the number of decimal places, I get that there are 2 of them. That means I'm going to take the digits that come after the decimal and divide them by 100. So 38 over 100 is my new fraction. But I can indeed simplify that by dividing by 2 on top and bottom. Now, 38 divided by 2 is 19, and 100 divided by 2 is 50. So that means 0.38 is the same thing as 19 over 50. Let's try one more problem. 0.712. Well, when I count the number of decimal places, I see that that's 3 numbers after the decimal point. So that means my new denominator will be 1,000. So I have 712 over 1,000. Now, both 712 and 1,000 are divisible by 8. So I go ahead and do that division to get a final answer of 89 over 125. And that is how you convert decimals to fractions.